From the Metal Inquisition. In today's video, I'll be overviewing two extremely underrated Japanese heavy metal bands, namely the melodic heavy metal band Wolf, as well as the shred and neoclassical band Precious. Not to be confused with the Swedish band or the YouTube algorithm's favorite Wallbum band, Wolf is a melodic heavy metal band hailing from Osaka, Japan, forming in 1985. They play a style similar to more well-known Japanese bands such as Loudness and Anthem, deliver their own unique spin on the sound. The band's self-titled debut EP is easily the highlight of their short discography, featuring some standout tracks like Let's Get to Fire, the opener Running Forever, and Flying Higher. The style of the EP is very reminiscent of the earlier Japanese-language Loudness albums such as Law of the Devil's Land and Disillusion. Featuring incredible neoclassical leads from the guitarist Masahiko Kuroki, Wolf's music features a common Japanese metal trope of having 90% of the lyrics, such as verses in Japanese, with choruses and occasional lyrics in English. Of course, in Wolf's case, this works fantastically as Tatsunori Matsumoto's powerful vocals serve the music perfectly. Their additional discography, such as the 1987 demo, which is featured on the compilation Rollover, and their 1990 LP, Some Aspects of the Moment, are also mandatory listens. Forerunners of the Japanese neoclassical scene, Precious were put together by Mandrake Root Records to promote the insanely talented guitarist Akira Kajiyama. Originally releasing two singles, Crazy for Your Love and Blasting Your Head in 1987 and 1988, before releasing their debut album, To Glory We Steer, in 1990. While Precious's Yngwie Malmsteen influences are very apparent, their style contains much of the speedy Japanese metal riffing style, setting them apart from more generic shred acts. While Precious disbanded in 1991, the guitarist Akira is still active in the Japanese rock scene. He's went on to play with former Rainbow singer Joe Lynn Turner, as well as a project with both Joe Lynn Turner and Glenn Hughes called HTP. My favorite song from the band is hands down Blasting Your Head, especially the original 1988 single version, as it contains one of the catchiest English choruses in Japanese metal history. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will check out the 2 bands I mentioned. I have a plethora of ever Japanese bands that I would like to do videos on. Hopefully some full-length videos will be in the works soon. Just subscribe and comment, share, and all that good stuff. Thank you.